Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat.
Thank you, doctor.
What seems to be the problem?
I'm not feeling well since last night.
Oh, I see. What exactly are you feeling?
I have a headache, body pain, and a sore throat.
Do you also have a cough or cold?
Yes, I have a dry cough and a little sneezing.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a mild one. I also feel tired.
Have you taken any medicine so far?
No, not yet.
Okay. Let me check your temperature and blood pressure. Your temperature is 99.8 degrees. It's a low-grade fever. Nothing to worry about.
That's a relief.
It looks like a viral infection. It's common these days.
Will I need any tests?
Not right now. If symptoms get worse, then we'll do a blood test.
Okay, doctor.
I'll prescribe you some medicine for the fever and sore throat. Take the medicine after food twice a day.
How many days should I take the medicine?
Take it for 5 days. You should feel better in 2 or 3.
Can I go to work?
I suggest you take rest for at least 2 days. Your body needs time to recover.
All right, I'll inform my office.
Also, drink plenty of warm water, avoid cold food, eat light meals, and don't go out in the sun.
Can I eat fruits?
Yes, but avoid citrus fruits for now. Eat bananas or apples instead.
Thank you, doctor. One more thing. Can I take a hot water steam?
Yes, steam inhalation is helpful. Do it twice a day.
Okay, should I come back for a follow-up?
Only if the fever continues after 3 days. Otherwise, no need.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends, classmates, or anyone who is learning English. Let's help more people speak confidently. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.